Hello my YouTube friends, welcome to my kitchen. This is the last video in a mini-series of Thanksgiving unique but easy appetizers for the table. In my first video I did these mushrooms rolls. In my second video I shared the recipe for this forest clearing with mushrooms. And today we will do another appetizer. This appetizer is called curry chicken salad. And let me show the ingredients that I will be using for this salad. Chicken breast, and I will cut it in lesser pieces, grated carrots, a whole bunch of green onions and chives. And I have two types of chives here, garlic chives and traditional chive. Cut almonds, raisins, boiled eggs. We'll use curry and honey to do my dressing. These tangerines I will be using as the serving dishes, and I will show you how I prepare them. And also I will use the flesh and the veggies for garnish. Let's get started. I will now finally grate, chop and cut all the ingredients. All 6 salad ingredients are chopped and grated: chicken, carrots, eggs, green onions and chives, almonds and raisins. Now I just do the dressing. Dressing has 3 components: mayonnaise, curry powder and honey. And the proportions are to your liking. If you like curry, you can use more. If you like honey, you can use more or less. Let me do the dressing and mix everything in my salad. The salad is prepared. Now let me show you how I present it, how I will serve it. For my presentation, I will use this tray in fall colors, but first I will line this tray with my greenery. To make a serving cup with a tangerine, I just cut off the upper portion and I will scoop out the orange flesh out of the bigger piece of the tangerine. And it's perfectly scooped out, so I will use this flesh for my garnish. But I like tangerines and mandarins better than oranges because it's easier to handle for the servings like this. I prepared my tray and I used mustard greens, and these are my tangerine cups. Now I will fill them up with the salad. And this is my individual serving of this salad. By the way, you can use any salad that you like. But if you don't have time to do those tangerine cups, you can just place your salad in a bowl or in a few bowls and spread around the table. Write in your comments whether you like this salad presentation. Also write from what country you are watching this video. All my 3 appetizers are ready. And write in your comments which recipe you like the best. Happy Thanksgiving to you all.